what do you call this? Pilgrim Church. That's their school also for Pilgrim. That's Gaizano. That's also a big, huge Gaizano Mall. This one, the old Gaizano, connected with the city Gaizano. And this is Gaizano City, and this is the Ayala Mall. I miss the Ayala Mall. This is Nazareno Church. This is the church close to the Gaizano Mall, City Mall, Gaizano.
It's December 3, 2024.
It's also big, huge. So that's Ayala there. There's a nice Christmas light up there every afternoon. I'm gonna show you guys later. This is our Osmania Road. Big mall, condos. This is a condo here, guys, close to the Gaizano Capital University, closed. Gaizano Mall, City Mall, Gaizano City. This is our road going, and this is our SM. This is SM downtown. This is downtown. It's also a huge.
This time check is brought to you by Biogesic. Sa sakit ng ulo, mag-Biogesic agad.
Downtown.
Most doctor prescribe pa. Biogesic. Ingat. This time check is brought to you by Enervon Z+. All new best ever Enervon. Enervon Z+.
Strikes there.
Available sa
Lot of
Simdex D syrup for kids of Simdex D40 for adults.
There's the condo there. Primer condo for president. They have a condo there. Okay.
Abot kaya. Mauka na ang Blend 45. Ang kape sa madiskarte. Generosity o bukas palad tatak Pilipino. Sa krisis nagkakaisa, hindi nag-aatubiling tumulong.
There's a parking area there. SM Mall.
Oras ng paghihirap, magkaroon kayo ng pag-ibig sa isa't isa nang walang pagkukunwari. Roma 12 siya. Generosity o bukas palad. Ikaw ay Extraordinary Pinoy. Brought to you by MX3 Coffee and Tea.
This is Lamket Bay Center. So going.
Tested and proven with Alpha,
Beta, shortcut
Gamma,
for
Mangosteen. Easy lang. Enjoy lang sa lakbay. Di mo mamamalayan.
This is a short road, guys, going to Kitgay, SM and Kitgay connection. This is all hotels here.
Mycon, the number
Lux
one
Hotel.
insect spray brand in the Philippines.
So there's a lot of government establishment here. And this is also hotels. So we are now in Robinson.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Doy. So this is Robinson. So entrance also in the center of Lemkit Kay Center. So, Rosario. Uy, Lemkit Kay. Look at guys. Yes, they are the rich owner. So, hello. This is for Christmas.
If they got anything new back here.
Ah, fun. The grocery in the upstairs.
Yeah?
Upstairs, the grocery.
Yeah, right there. You can take the elevator right there. Just go down and see what stores they got down here.
Ha? Mandarin. Huh?
It's handyman out there.
Handyman?
Handyman.
Here, there. Huh?
Right out there in the end. They ought to, just for the heck of it, get a price.
Whoa.
I get a price on just 2 extra.
La, nice. Namoy ring nga kuan.
Solid gold. Natay Chinese ma'am.
Ay, solid gold ninyo dyan.
Solid Japan ma'am.
Japan?
Japan gold.
Ring lang.
Solid
Unsa? Unsa maning dinidapit lab?
Chinese gold ma'am.
Chinese. Lamoy Saudi gold.
Lahat ng Saudi natin. Kanimang Saudi national.
Teka, sandali ah. Tanasa ko. Okay, my husband is in the Jerry's. So, maybe she wanted to eat. She does a lot of jewelry, see guys. I wish to have a. Okay. Oh, there's a books. Anak ko yung husband din eh. Uy, boss. A foreigner ko. Nga, kabantay mo foreigner din eh.
Wala, kaya kurin na nasa
Wow! Sinsya nga nasa Gears. Oh, you got the barber salon, ha? Okay, magpalimpyo day ko kang. You're wanted to cleaning? Cleaning also? Nail cleaning? Huh?
What?
You do nail cleaning?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Pwede ko palimpyo lang lahat?
Okay lang. Dinan mo.
Oh, yeah. Bisag asa, uy. Oo. Bisag asa. Oh, it's time for... It's nice. Ito nga salon, right? Hindi ko nakapasa. Okay.
How long?
What? How long? This salon? Kita kay kuan sa inyo vlog. My beauticians. My stylist.
Hello. Hi, hello.
Hi, stylist. What is your name, sir?
I'm Ray.
Oh, Mr. Ray. Mr. Ray. Miss, na ako'y friend ya sa before din sa taas sa una si O. Si O. Ang butasan na ba ito si O? Maramag sa pandemic yung nawala naman sila. Pandemic nang kuan na siguro. Sige na kay vlog ko. Yeah, sama naman yung fan. Sama tuloy-tuloy sa kumbana. O sige nga parlor the
Celeste.
Ray?
Celeste Beauty Lounge.
Ah, Celeste. Wow, nice cake pronunciation sa Celeste. Murag pare sa mga nakapo. Wow. Ikaw owner, Ray?
Thank you.
Okay. Kuan Filipino.
Overhead racer. Styles lang.
Ikaw, ma'am? 350, ma'am.
Pilay mong kuan may not haircut, kanang magpa-ribbon ta, magpa-color ta, ano.
Colors.
Dili sa akong magpa-color, ipag-color.
It's the long. That's the length. Here you have
Na kay prices, aray.
2,000 to 5, 3.
Mom din na siya ang kuan.
Ang ribbon is 3,500. L'Oreal man.
Ang ribbon.
So, L'Oreal yung bilising.
Wow, man akong gusto nga kuan product. All my product L'Oreal. Ano kang L'Oreal kay wala na lagi sila cosmetic kuan product.
Sa L'Oreal.
Oh, pang pull out lagi sa itong ano?
Oo.
Ano man na? Ang color lang may na-out. Hindi na ko
Siguro mahal masyado.
Ha?
Mahal masyado sila.
Siguro, no? Kaya natin nga alam kung wala naman sa Watson. Hindi na ko makita.
Wala.
Sa Pilipinas.
Ay, wala. Bawal sa gila.
Why?
Yan ang ginahanglan. Nag-isalon. Seminar pa mga ay, sir ka tagaan.
Kung product? Really? Oh, nga na.
Dahil L'Oreal, pero really
No.
yung original para sa United sa salon.
So, Your bossing is nag-order sa online?
Asa paan? Na-in lori di ba?
Well, pwede na ko siya mamit. Kaya gusto lang ko cosmetic. Wala din na ako makuha akong mga cosmetic sa America ito, ang product. Wala nagid na ako ma-release, makuha na research. Imang ko ganahan sa Olay na hiyang manggupo. Asa ka nahiyang, di ba?
Ngitaon din.
Ganyan pang taon, dyan niyo mo. Ito manggupo na hiyang na. Hindi ko gakuan kay samot at anang oily bitaw kayo ng sa Olay.
Di ba dali, ma'am? Trend lang siya.
Magpaano sila, color.
Pagupit.
Pagupit.
Kasi pagupit ma'am.
Ikaw na yung hairstyle, Ray?
Ako naman.
Wow. Alam sa man. So quick. And okay. Oh, what a nice wow. Wow, free. Wow, murang mga ito kay kong party yan eh. Wow. Guwapa na ko. Ay, ano mo ni Kuan? Ni Ray Lest Salon? Ito?
Celeste.
Celeste Salon. Alimot ako Celeste Salon. Fine fan si Ray. Ray. This expert stylist. Oh, galing to sa ano, sa Manila at saka ano, sa abroad, overseas. Yeah. Oh.
Hello.
Oh.
Dito ma'am.
Kanila ako,
Yung ganyan yan.
Ano siya?
Siya.
Sa kamay lang na.
Wow. How it looks, huh? I'm going to the party. I hope my birthday, you do it in my hair. Yan. She was, wala pa ganin eh. Sprayhan niya siya. Very nice. Nice screen it, yeah. Wow. Gusto sa kinako itong dini sa ubos-ubos bitaw nga na yun. Wow. Pretty it. Sige na lang.
Pwede naman libot. Kuan lang yung gamiton kanilang dayong. Dili na makakapag-chill. Remove pa man siya. Paano ka gel man siya, no?
Oh, pero mag-charge man ka.
Mag-charge
200 niya. That ang pakuan is 300, so same as 500.
Kung pag magpang-polish ka.
Magpapalis ko. Pero kung magpapalis ko sa gel, dili na ko ni mo charge.
Charge gapon mo. Remove ba na
Shit! Oh, wow! Oh, wow! Ay na lang. Go, bidoy bo? Kapoy kining babae, bay. Alingasa.
Paano anak ko, sir? Labanti naman yun.
Wow, 200 the charge only for removal sa my polish for the gel. They charge.
Hindi ko na siya hairdresser.
Wow.
Pero nito na lang dahil kay pag-deal ang last year. Maski sila.
Oh, really? Okay, sa Manila po, nagpakuan ko. Dugay, good boy.
Ilang grindiran. Itong liham, itong
Palagi grind or gano'n.
iparemote ito sa kuwan. Lain nga.
So, kung mo, kuan sa ko, magpa-gel sa ko, maabot na siya, og 700. Kaya tungod sa church, Dapat lang unta free na lang. Kayo magbajil, mangko. Dapat lang. Hoy, Ray. Pwede ba ta mag-suggest sa imong bossing? Sabihin mo naman ang ganyan, no? Mga Pilipino tayo, eh. Lagi, pero at least consuelo to the customer ba? Para dumami. Kung hindi ka magawa ng ganyan, so parang mag-walk out ang mga customer mo. Hindi na babalik. Ba? Konsuelo na lang sa ato ang mga customer. Para bang tricks lang ba? Parang dumami ka, mas lalo. Lagi. I know. Wala man. Ano lang ko. Pwede man si Ray. Kasi siya ang kumaan. Mag-suggest sa iyang amo. Diba, Ray? Dapat may konsuelo na lang, Ray. Para sa yung mga parang dumadami. Pang benamano sa mga ano ninyo. Diba, kailangan sila ng customer. Ano lang yan, ha? Suggestion lang yan, ha? Ray, ha? Walang personalan. Ay, Diyos ko, ganito talagang. Pero, ewan ko ba sa mga Chinese? Mga Chinese, the more ba? Korean. Dami mga Korean dito.
Hindi ko ata naman. Iwan. Ano yung pag-titing sa tapos?
Mas may pa dito mga Korean ng mga business kay dumami pang mga ano nila. Filipino. Super kay hindi lang nga. Natok naman yun ako. Pero okay lang.
Just kung kami lang man babot-on.
I know.
Saan ka man?
Pero ba simbolay nag-suggest sa imong ano?
Suggest mo.
Ha?
Suggest naman sa inyo.
So wala lugar siyang pakulo dito na mag-promo siya sa riban. Para padami.
Sorry naman.
Patugok. Padugok ba? Kaya ang uban ba ya, mga salon paano ba sila? Mga hatag ba sila flyer para daghan mo para daghan mo ba? Mapadugok lang. Labi na karon Christmas. Dili siya makakuan. Asa naman ang kuan kaysa daghan customer. Sa imong gi-charge nga kuan. Kung daghan magpakuan sa imo. So, at least gamay ra imong ginansya, at least daghan siya. Kanunay ba? Kanunay.
Kasi lang kayo na para
Sure. Only the stylist is one. A lot of waiting. Customer. Asa na ba akong bahay? Oh Lord. I'm here in the supermarket Robinson. I don't know where's my husband now. I just finished my... Oh, where's my Walter? Okay guys, we're going to the supermarket of Robinson. I repair it because they're touching my clothes. Ride escalator. Just ride the escalator. Huh? Oh yeah. Na ba? Huh?
That's the first.
Ma'am, napabay ka nang makabayad tag mga bills?
Dili ma'am.
Ah, dini? Oh, okay.
Diyan bayaran.
Kaning electric o water
Diyan electric tax ko.
sa... water na lang sa... My milk. I'm gonna get my milk. We have a one for this, for spaghetti. Memoria, Italian. Seems like you bought small one. Huh? want to assist? No.
Yeah, we're fine. I'm sure we'll catch it down, so we're good.
Perfect. Okay. Okay na lang. Okay. Huh?
You don't want to go in the fire.
I just go there. I just walk down because I'm gonna turn there if I go back. That's why I go there. So yeah, we are here now. We're done our shopping. Some of our stuffs were needed. So
Throw that there.
no, down. Oh, Allah, that's why it's gonna be there. Yeah, that's what I skip in the sparks. It's the wrong way. You're right. There. Okay, shopping for a while. After our salon day. So this is a huge in KitKat Robinsons. Okay. Robinson Appliances is there. How much is the dollar? 58.
Huh?
58
Yeah.
in point.
Yeah.
Wow, good today.
No, it's been 58, close to 59 every day.
Wow, no, 57 only the.
No, yesterday was 58.94.
Wow. Lately, I go to my one is 57 only the would remit. I transfer the money for my PNB so that I could pay for the rent. Ha? Diha? Ah, okay. Karon pa mi kabalo. We're gonna be here using because it's broken there. The guy said.
Didn't let me take it if I knew that.
Huh?
I wouldn't let me take it if I knew that.
Yeah. Better she was alarming us. That she said that you're gonna go here because it's broken there. Onami, thank you. Thank you, boy. Be careful. Thank you, boy. Okay. This is right. Hi, guys. Workers of Robinson Supermarket. Okay. Oh, wow, twisting it. So, how about us magkwami grab? Pwede ba dito? Asa man ito mo, exit dong. Ha? Oo, dinimi magpakuha may kwan. Ayaw na lang. Basta asang kwan. Oh, thank you. Palo lang ko sa ima. What? Ito, playing it. just relax their their legs. Oh, there the road though, outside. You can sell your Grab here, Robinson Market, in the parking area. In the parking area. Okay.
Yeah, it says parking in it. I never see cab back there.
I know, no, just leave here. Don't. Just leave it. You cannot use there. Okay. Go now before I go outside. So hot. Get your job. We'll stay for a while here. While you. This is here. Maybe the
automatically goes there.
Maybe the setup of your
Setup with your phone.
yeah, setup of your phone.
Here comes the green car over here.
Okay.
It looks like the one.
Yes, that's it. Okay, we have now the Grab.
Did we leave anything on?
What?
That carriage, you took it awful fast.
Oh, okay, because
just a shopper.
no, they were in charge. That one will return back.
It was a regular person. It wasn't somebody that worked there.
But they're helping for the.
That's okay. We're missing anything. I know that when we get home. It's pretty new.
Experience affordable shopping only here at Guys, a store that has it all.
I thought I'd seen that. Somewhere in here I saw
Where?
going back
To go?
thought I saw one here somewhere.
No, it's there in our pier. Close.
Huh?
Close to our pier. That one we.
No, but they're also in town too. I saw one somewhere.
Okay. There is, but office it's not the office. It's an agent's something like that. magenta lang